Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. So for today's video, I decided to go glam and create this beautiful shimmery green smoky eye look for you. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So this is it for today's video guys. I hope you all like this look. Do try this out and let me know your views about it in the comment section below. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.